Good morning. Thanks for joining us. Let's kick off this forecast with a beautiful photo sent in by one of our viewers, Patrick. This was taken over the weekend when things were much calmer, but look at that beautiful sunset. I believe this was taken on Mount Jumbo. We've got those gorgeous wildflowers growing in the foreground there and that sun setting. We've got some beautiful weather headed our way. So if you haven't liked the last couple of days, just hold on. We've got about 2 more days of some unsettled weather before things calm down. But today we've got to talk about everything that's happening in western Montana and beyond, just in case you're traveling or you're thinking of family in other parts of the state. We've got a winter weather advisory for the glacier areas, part of Lake County. Valley areas could see anywhere from a trace to 3 inches until Wednesday morning. High elevations maybe 3 to 6 inches in those mountains included in the purple area. A lake wind advisory that goes until 8 p.m. today. I likely think it will be extended though because of just some strong winds we're expecting both today and tomorrow. A high wind advisory, that's that golden yellow color for a lot of the rest of the state. And then that little red portion, that's a blizzard warning for the Little Belt and Highwood Mountain area where we've got really high winds and heavy snow, 1 to 3 feet expected just in that one section. A winter storm warning in the pink, but I couldn't even fit that on the map. There's just a lot going on for us. But let's just zone in right here for a moment on western Montana and talk about what we can expect today. We've got kind of a calmer morning for us, very cloudy, gusty winds already picking up for us. Snow, I would say, for Lost Trail Pass, and then those Bitterroots and Sapphires likely to see some snow through the morning. But we do get a little break from precipitation until later this evening. I would say about 6 or 7 o'clock, be ready for some showers if you're south of I-90. If you're north of I-90, I would expect those maybe around 4 or 5 to roll in. This moisture looks like it wants to hang out all night later tonight and into tomorrow morning. The tap will be on, it looks like, and then we finally will get a break from this sort of windy, cold, and gusty weather Wednesday evening into Thursday. So we're almost there. We'll take the moisture. We do need it, but I don't like it when it's this windy out there. It reminds me of where I grew up, which is northern Oklahoma. Very gusty out there. 30 to 40 mile per hour winds for us today, though, between 20 to 30 at other times. They'll stick around. Look at tomorrow morning, and then we start to calm down. Today's highs, though, a little bit cooler because of that cold front yesterday, so we've got a mix of 40s and a couple of low 50s today. Hopefully that helps you know what to wear as you head out the door. That umbrella might be a good accessory, I would say, tomorrow. Today, though, it's kind of up and down. Likely we'll see it later in the evening. For that evening commute, you might want to hold on to the umbrella. We are looking at gorgeous weather, though, very quickly. Again, it's just today and tomorrow. We've got this unsettled system. Then we get sunshine, some 60s and 70s through the weekend.